Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your earbuds Moto Buds 270. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to these settings. Now, on your Android, open Settings, and then we need to go to Accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom, so we need to scroll down, enter into Accessibility, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we will see Audio Adjustment. Tap at this line, and here it is, we have Audio Balance. If you had the problem with the right earbud, you need to move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left earbud. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you had the problem with the left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left. Again, you need to find a good balance here. And we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open Settings, and we need to go to Accessibility. Accessibility located under the General Settings, so enter into Accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have Audio and Visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and here it is, we have Audio Balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, you need to move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance. We just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound on your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, just move this dot to the right. We just increase the volume for the right, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!